Starting an online business in Africa has never been easier, thanks to the transformative power of mobile money. With platforms like M-Pesa, MTN MoMo, Airtel Money, and Orange Money, millions of people can now access financial services without traditional bank accounts. Mobile money enables entrepreneurs to reach broader audiences, securely handle transactions, and build thriving businesses. This guide will show you how to harness this technology to start and grow your online business, featuring practical steps, real-life examples, and actionable insights. Why mobile money is a game-changer for online businesses. Mobile money has revolutionized financial transactions across Africa, offering inclusivity, affordability, and convenience. Here's why it's crucial for your online business. Wide reach. With mobile money services accessible in urban and rural areas, you can connect with customers everywhere. Cost-effective. Transaction fees are generally lower compared to traditional banking. Security. Advanced encryption safeguards transactions against fraud. Speed. Real-time processing ensures instant payments and improved customer experience. By tapping into mobile money, you can build a robust foundation for your business. Let's explore how to make it happen. Step 1. Identify a profitable business idea. Your business starts with a solid idea. Consider solving problems. Address a common issue. For instance, in Ghana, Kwame launched a grocery delivery service using mobile money for payments, catering to busy urban dwellers. Leverage skills. Use your talents. If you're skilled in graphic design, offer online services and receive payments via mobile money. Study trends. Use tools like Google Trends to identify high-demand areas such as e-learning, fashion, or tech accessories. Analyze competitors. Understand gaps in the market by researching existing players. Popular online businesses include selling handmade items, digital services, for example, content writing or web design, dropshipping, online courses and ebooks. Step 2. Create a business plan. A comprehensive plan is your roadmap. Include description. What is your business about and who is your target audience? Revenue model. Define how you'll make money. Sales, subscriptions, or ads. Marketing strategy. Will you focus on social media, SEO, or influencer marketing? Financial projections. Estimate costs, expected income, and profits. Mobile money integration. Plan how to integrate mobile money into your payment system. Example: Sarah, a digital marketer in Kenya, used her business plan to secure a partnership with a local mobile money provider for lower transaction fees. Step 3. Register your business. Registering your business legitimizes it and opens up more opportunities. Here's how. Choose a name. Ensure it's unique and memorable. Register locally. Visit your local business registration office or use online portals. Obtain licenses. Some businesses require specific permits. Set up a merchant account, M-Pesa, Kenya. Visit a Safaricom outlet with a business certificate and ID. You'll get a merchant code for transactions. MTN MoMo, Ghana, Uganda, etc. Apply online or at an MTN service center with your registration documents. Airtel Money. Register at an Airtel office to access merchant services, including QR codes for payments. Orange Money. Submit your documents at an Orange Business Center and get set up as a merchant. Step 4. Build your online presence. A strong online presence helps you connect with customers and boost sales. Steps include professional website. Use platforms like Wix, Shopify, or WordPress to create a mobile-friendly, attractive website. SEO. Optimize your site with keywords to rank higher on search engines. Social media. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for marketing. Online marketplaces. List products on Jumia, Kilimall, or Konga. Messaging apps. Use WhatsApp or Telegram for customer engagement and support. Example: a Nigerian artist expanded his reach by selling digital illustrations on Instagram and accepting payments via Payga, a local mobile money provider. Step 5. Set up payment systems. Make payments simple and secure. Mobile money integration. Use your merchant account to accept payments directly on your website. Payment aggregators. Services like Flutterwave and Paystack. Support mobile money alongside other methods. Direct payments. Share your mobile money number or QR code for straightforward transactions. Step 6. Perfect your product or service. Ensure your offerings meet customer expectations. Quality products. If selling goods, ensure reliability and consistency. Seamless services. For digital products, prioritize user experience and support. Feedback loop. Use customer reviews to refine your offerings. Example: in Rwanda, a tech startup offering coding courses collected student feedback to improve content, boosting enrollment by 50%. Step 7. Master marketing. Marketing drives traffic and builds your brand. Strategies include social media ads. Invest in Facebook or Instagram ads for targeted reach. Influencers. Collaborate with local influencers to showcase your products. Content marketing. Share blogs, videos, or infographics to engage your audience. Referral programs. Reward customers for bringing in new business. Email campaigns. Send newsletters with offers and updates. Example: a Ghanaian fashion entrepreneur used TikTok challenges to promote her clothing line, leading to a 200% increase in orders. Step 8. Focus on customer retention. Keeping customers is cheaper than acquiring new ones. Tips include loyalty programs. Offer discounts or perks for repeat customers. Exceptional support. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve complaints. Engagement. Use social media polls, contests, or Quanda sessions to build a community. Step 9. Scale your business. Once you've established a stable operation, consider scaling. Expand offerings. Introduce new products or services. Explore new markets. Target neighboring countries or regions. Automation. Use tools like chatbots for customer service and inventory management software to streamline operations. Example: a South African entrepreneur transitioned from selling handmade crafts locally to exporting them internationally via Etsy and accepting payments through mobile money. Starting an online business with mobile money in Africa is an achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the effort. By leveraging mobile money platforms, building a strong online presence, and employing smart marketing strategies, you can create a sustainable and scalable business. Take the first step today. Identify a business idea, draft a plan, and explore mobile money integration. With determination and creativity, you can turn your vision into a thriving online venture. Ready to make it happen? Start now.